Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Excel calculator of heart rate for training zones applying Karvonen's formula. Using the link that you will find in the description, we will go to the web page that you can see in the screen, where we will double-click on the Excel file. A new window will open. Click on the top right corner where the three dots are, and in the drop-down menu, click on Download. Open the file, and there we have our calculator. The first thing we must do is to enter the maximum heart rate. If you know the participant's heart rate because you've done a graded test recently, simply enter the value. If, on the other hand, you do not know the maximum heart rate, go to the cell called Tanaka's formula. This formula estimates the maximum heart rate according to a person's age. In this example, our participant is 27 years old. So by entering the age, we get an estimated maximum heart rate of 189 beats per minute. Enter this value in the corresponding cell, and in resting heart rate, we are going to say that the participant has 60 beats per minute. Once this step is finished, we enter the raw heart rate data from our heart rate monitor. In our case, the data is in portal flow. Here's the session. We will go to the Start Session button, click on it, and download the CSV file. Save it in a folder and open it. To transform the data in Excel, we must go to the tab Data. Next, click on Text CSV Data. Import the file you previously saved. A preview panel will open to load the data. Check that the separation unit is correct, in this case, comma, and click on Import. Once the data is loaded, go to the heart rate column and copy completely the column. Before pasting in the calculator, open a new sheet in the same Excel. As you will see, when pasting, the formatting of the cells is wrong. Click on the error warning and convert all data into number format. Copy once again and now paste using the value format on the calculator's heart rate column. The data has been entered, so you will see that in the box on the right, the time and percentage that the participant has been working in each zone has appeared. These zones are customizable in the box on the left. Currently they have these ranges, as in the example. But imagine that we want zone 1 to have an even lower intensity, or that each zone is increasing by 5% each time. Modify the ranges according to your needs, and as you can see, depending on the parameters in which we delimit the heart rate reserved for each zone, our time and percentage data for the exercise session is modified at the same time. Finally, we have developed a feature that tells us how long the heart rate monitor has been without recording data. This is just in case that there are technical problems during the session. In this case, we have 2 hours without heart rate data, but this is because the Excel has been programmed to support training sessions up to 3 hours, although the actual duration of our session is 42 minutes. And that's all. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.